y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today we're going to be doing some eyeshadow looks with the Huda Beauty Obsessions palette. This is the Nude Light. I have been loving this palette. So usually when I do these types of videos, I usually have never touched the palette before, but I was so obsessed with the shades in this palette that I was like, I need to go ahead and play with it now before I even film. So I did, and I've used this 3 days in a row. Now, typically when I play with eyeshadow, I use a palette, then I use a different one, and a different one, and a different one. I don't wear the same palette back to back because I like to just play around with different palettes, but this one, no ma'am, I've worn this back to back to back. It's such a pretty palette, so I'm going to do 2 eye looks, one on each eye of 2 of the looks that I've been wearing. I've worn 3 looks, but I can just tell you guys the other look that I've worn so far with it. But this palette, it is gorgeous. These shades, I think these are my shades. Now, a few people in some of my other videos, I've worn this palette and you have asked me what I was wearing, and I was like, this palette. So I've gotten compliments on the palette, so it must be good. So if you guys want to see some simple eye looks with me using this palette, then keep on watching. Before we get into the video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, you guys. Here's the palette close up. It has this like snake skin or whatever kind of texture. I think it's really pretty. And then of course you have the mirror. Hi, that's me. Hello. And then here's the shades. Super, very pretty. Super, very pretty. Yeah, that's a great way to explain things. So I'm gonna do how I did my last eye look video. I'm just gonna have the image up here, and I'm gonna circle the shade that I am currently using, and I'm just gonna show what I'm doing on my eye. I just want it to be super simple and to the point. I don't want to sit there and explain what I'm doing when you can see what I'm doing. I just want it to be super simple to the point, so that's what I'm gonna do. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, y'all, so that is my 2 looks using the palette, the Huda Obsessions Nude Light palette. I really like this palette. It just gives you a nice, soft, like everyday pretty girl look. Like your pinks and your purples and sparkle. Like this one's a more soft pink look, and this one's a soft, nice purpley look. And I hate purple eyeshadow on me, but this one's like a different kind of purple, so it's not like weird, but like you can see the 2 different like tones that would just work for like an everyday girly makeup look. I love these tones. I think it's literally just these tones that are making this look so pretty. Just like a soft glam mauve. Got some beige and some like, what is that color? I don't know colors, but you guys can see for yourself. Such a pretty palette. If I ever like run out of a shade, this is gonna probably be the only palette that I repurchase so far out of my collection. Like if I run out of a shade, I'm gonna have to buy another one because I have been loving this palette. Like I cannot recommend this palette enough. I really can't. And the shimmers are finger only. If you guys wanted to intensify them yourself, just use a wet brush. I didn't do that, and they still look really, really pretty, and I love this palette. I can't wait to continue using this all the time, but I need to like give it a break so I can try out all these new palettes that I got, because I haven't even tried them out yet. Like they're still in this drawer waiting for me to play with them. Like I think next on my list is probably gonna be Curly Bible, just because this palette has a lot of those same soft tones, and I'm like into this shade right here, even though I don't like reds. But I just want to do some Christmas looks so bad. And I did purchase 2 palettes. I got a Makeup Revolution, oh no, it's the Revolution Pro All That Glistens palette and the BH Cosmetics Fairy Lights palette. I got those because they just look like I could create some Christmas looks with them, so that's why I got them. So stay tuned for those whenever I get down the line, because I think I want to play with this one next, but if not, I really want to play with the Lovebird palette because I want to play with these glitters so bad. So I think I might do that next. So let me know in the comments down below. My phone's about to die, I'm sorry. What you want to see next, and I will do that because I kind of already asked you guys what you wanted to see, and I picked this one, but that's just because I love it so much. Just let me know down below what you want to see next, and yes, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean the world to me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!